Hello everybody and welcome back to Herbies Garage. Today I'm doing something a little bit different. As you can see, I'm in a little bit different environment. I'm in my truck, and back there behind me I have my trailer hooked to it, and you guessed it, I'm going to pick me up a new, not project really, but something different. It's not brand new, it's used, and I'm looking forward to it. It's a motorcycle. I'm using the money from my Wolverine sale to buy it. So I'm going to show it to you guys here in a little bit. It's about an hour and a half drive away, and once I get it and load it up on the trailer and away from the guy's house, I'll pick back up with you and then we'll talk a little bit about it. All right. Well, I got her all loaded up. I don't know if you can see it back there in the trailer, but I got a few extras with it as well. He gave me the stock exhaust. It has the Vance & Hines long shots exhaust on it, which is pretty cool, but it's loud. You guys would probably like it, but I like the quiet. So it does have the stock exhaust I'll probably put on it. I've got the stock seat, a windshield, another set of hard saddlebags, and I got the title, of course, and the owner's manual. All that was pretty good. It was a nice seller. I'm glad it was a good, smooth transaction. Everything went well. So now I'm getting ready to head out on the road and make my way home. And once I get there, I'll pick back up to you guys. Well, I made it back home. As you can see, my truck and trailer are behind me. I unloaded the bike. And this is what I bought. It's a 2001 Honda Shadow Sabre 1100cc. It does have a shaft drive, and it's 5-speed transmission. It's a pretty cool looking bike. It came with several extras. It came with these Vance & Hines long shot full exhaust, and if anybody wants that, I'm going to be selling that because it's too loud for my taste. And it also has a chrome side cover. It's got floorboards, bags. It's got a Mustang seat that I will probably sell as well. I'm going to put the stock seat back on, probably sell the backrest if anybody's interested in that too. But it also comes with some of these floorboards in the front, which I'm going to keep. I like those. Chrome thing around the radiator, that's pretty nice looking. And they put handlebar risers on it, different handlebars, Kiriakin grips. It's got this little paddle thing on it. I really like that. Has 30,244 miles. And that's all the good stuff. Let me show you a few of the things that's bad on it. Got a big dent right here in this fork covering. This is just a cover. It just slips off. It separates right here. So I think this is replaceable. Hopefully I can find one of those, which I'm pretty sure I can. And this front fender has got some areas that's going to need some buffing or something right here, right in here. It's scuffed, and right up here. So I might try to get that out. And if you look inside of the gas tank, let me get the key out here. It's nice and clean in there. No rust. Try to shut this. It's hard to do one-handed. There we go. But the guy owned this for 11 years, and he didn't put very many miles on it, so it sat a lot. More than likely I'm going to have to rebuild the carburetors, because it does have a little bit of a gas smell. Not sure where that's coming from, but I will investigate it. But I'm going to probably rebuild those. And like I said, I'm going to change the exhaust. I did get a stock exhaust with it. And as you can see, it's the stock Honda factory exhaust. It's still nice looking. So I'll put that on it. The seat's dirty. I haven't washed it yet, but there's the stock seat. No rips or anything. Looks good. It does have a windshield. I don't know if I'm going to put that on or not. It has the stock foot pegs and handlebar risers and just different doodads. A couple sets of handlebars. I think the one with a grip on it is the original bars that came with the bike. It's also got a couple of lockable hard bags that I will probably end up selling a lot of this stuff. So if you're interested in any of this, you could contact me, and I'm going to be selling several parts of this. But I'm going to be doing several videos on the bike. I will be posting some pretty soon. I've got other things I want to do as well. But I don't want to start it right now because my grandson's in the house and he's sleeping and this thing is loud. Well, forget what I said a while ago. My grandson's awake, so I'm going to go ahead and start it up. I know you guys are dying to hear it. I am too. Yeah. Alright, I got to pull a kickstand up on this one in order to start it. Turn the key on down there. I don't know if I need choke or not. Looks like it's neutral. Boy, it's a loud one. Woo-wee! Alright, that's enough. I don't want to get the police called on me. Yeah, we don't need any police out here this time of day. Alright, that's all I have for you today. Appreciate you guys coming along and watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and leave me a comment, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.